guys, I'm going to saw this down here and see if I can get a very thin strip of it there. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to try. There you go, guys. It's as deep as I dare go. I'm going to file a little bit on this side here and drill a hole through there and get some to go into there. So I packed it with this here between the groove there, and this is the hole I'm going to just drill now, and I'm going to use this type of strip here anyway to come out, so I can just adapt it to fit this. So that's it, guys. Obviously I'll take this off now. So cleaned it up a bit, guys. Okay, so the idea here is to mark a line right going across that way and central line going across that way. Wherever they meet, make the hole there and put my flywheel there. So I'm going to do that off camera. So I'm going to put this piece behind this one, like that, just to give it a bit more width there. So when I put the bush in here, it has more, it'll be more sturdy, put it that way. So I'm just making up things as I go along, but there you go. I'm not even sure how I'm going to make the stand, but at the moment, if I can just do this, I'm going to drill a hole right there so it's aligned with it. Time has come to mark this hole there, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this marker on, and then I'm going to push that onto there like that. I'm going to get a little something on the other side and mark it. Like this. I don't know if you can see. So I'm pushing through one of the holes that I made here. Marking like that. And I'm pushing through the other hole, just in case. Yeah, they're both lining up. They're both lining up. More or less, right? So all I gotta do is mark the hole, make the hole there. That's what I'm gonna do off camera. Okay guys, so this is where the working out happens. I gotta get it so that this is inside there, a certain spot, and then also making sure that this is not right in. So if it was there, it needs to be out there like that, and if it was on this side, it needs to be the furthest out. It's about there. So I figured it all out. Mark the hole, put it in, and see if it works. Because this can't just go like that. It has to go a certain spot there. So what I've done is I had to use a miles tool which I found. It's quite thick, as you can see. And I use a lathe to turn it down to about 1 1/4 inch, approximately. Yeah, it's about 1 1/4, and that's fine. I'm going to drill and tap. Drill the hole there and cut it off there 1/2 inch. I did it off the camera, so you've seen me do it before anyway. Okay guys, so I made a boo-boo. This is not long enough, because when I put it onto there, this piston is not long enough, so it comes out to there when it reaches the far end. So I've just got to make a new one a bit more longer, and hopefully that works. This is a problem when you're trying to go by trial and error. But there you go guys, I have to make another one so it reaches there, and hopefully, like I said, it works. And the reason for all that is because I try to use a template and make these 2 holes there before I even start it. So guys, I'm going to make the bush for that, so it'll spin a bit better. There you go guys, 1 bush done. Fits nicely as well. Everything's okay.